Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here on the BeDistinct channel. Today, it's not gonna be about the G35. You guys are looking at the thumbnail, you guys are probably asking yourself, wait, did BeDistinct get a Supra? What's going on? Let me explain to you guys. Over the past few weeks, I've been thinking about, what's going on with the channel and what I can do to improve the channel, right? So what we come across is my friend Cameron, who's behind the camera right now, who we'll introduce right now. He has a Supra, and my other friend who has an E36, he has a Miata. We're just gonna come to one team and bring a variety of content for you guys, so you guys can go. Feel free and comment down on this video if you guys have questions about my Supercharged G35, about the Supra, about the E36, about Miata, about anything. We're gonna try to add variety to this channel, and hopefully you guys enjoy that change. We're gonna try it out for a couple of weeks, months, and see how it works out. So for today's episode, we are doing the first episode of the road to 500 wheel horsepower on my friend Cameron's Supra. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and introduce him to the channel. All right guys, so this is his 2020 Toyota Supra, but I will not say anything more. Let's go ahead and introduce you to our boy Cameron.
What's up guys, my name is Cameron. You guys mostly know me. I've been around on the channel for a little bit, but I'm super excited to be a part of the BeDistinct team, and we're gonna hit 500 wheel horsepower or higher, who knows. Today what we're gonna do is the flex fuel kit on the Supra. I already did an intake. That's pretty much it for performance. So alright, so you guys know that I only have the intake on here, so I have a downpipe sitting at home, and we're gonna install the flex fuel right now. That's how we're gonna hit 500 wheel.
He's gonna be running an E50 fuel mix on the Supra. He's got that Kinetix, and we're about to
check that out. This thing is super cool.
Fire.
Look at this. Hold on. Let's open that up. Show them. Look at that. It's so bougie.
Yeah, compared to Uprev, which is with the G35, this has a lot better service, and there's an app with it.
There's an app, and then you can also tie your tuner to it. So like, you just select the tuner, and it has a list of all authorized Kinetix tuners, and it sends your data logs.
So we're trying to hit 500 wheel on the Supra.
That's easy, man. I've been looking at the numbers. It's like E50, they're hitting like 525, so that's what I'm going for.
I mean, and just to give you guys an idea, guys, this is a stock 2020 Supra. A Supercharged G35 is hitting 445. My car's heavier than him, of course, but he literally keeps up with me 50-50 with my G35. So now when he's gonna hit 500 wheel, he's literally gonna hit 200 wheel horsepower more over stock. His Supra is about to gap the crap out of my G.
Minus the MSRP of the car, literally the downpipe was like 300 bucks.
Yeah.
The flex fuel kit was 470. I got it used off of someone on Facebook. Intake was like, I added like some extra fancier stuff, so it's a little bit more expensive.
Yeah.
Around like 400.
Yeah.
That's it, and that's literally, what is that?
Probably like what, around 2,000 maybe?
Literally, probably even less than that. Or actually with the tune, it's probably around 2,000.
Yeah.
So,
and you get 200 wheel horsepower overstock. That's insane. All right, guys. So step one, what we're gonna do is we need to install. We're gonna replace the OEM fuel line with the supplied fuel line, and this is gonna go connected to the actual ethanol fuel sensor.
but also, you want to make sure that you take off your battery out just in
that's
case.
right.
What if it primes, you know?
Let the fuel out. If that thing's hot, bro, I'm backing out.
Oh man, that was actually a lot of fuel.
Was it?
Yeah. Oh man, that was a decent amount of fuel. I did not expect that.
Quick, smell your hand.
Smells good.
It does. All right, guys, so now he's gonna unplug
Vacuum line.
So the reason you want to remove that is to
get more room in here.
Yeah, so you can have space to remove the other end of the fuel line.
And then just take this clip out.
Come on, bro, use them fingers.
I got it.
Nice. So now he can press it and release the fuel.
Oh man. Oh no, nothing.
Any fuel? No fuel? Perfect.
Maybe there's some fuel.
Now you can remove the whole line, huh?
Yeah,
nice.
There's the whole line. Here, open your mouth.
Here's the other end bit of the fuel line right there. Just gotta put the little condom thing.
There you go.
Perfect.
Okay, and then you just put this thingy in here, and then it should just fit snugly. Please bear with me.
Now we're connecting the new supply fuel line. Nice.
Basically, there's a wire called a heater crank something. It comes from underneath. It's tied to the inlet of the turbo. It's like, it's right here, but underneath. You just clip, pop it out. It comes out pretty easy.
They connect to the ground over here, which is this one right here. All right, so next, now this is gonna go
into the passenger side.
Into the passenger side of the vehicle.
Yeah, so we gotta take off one cover right here, one cover right here, this cover right here, and then this cover right here.
That's like a little squishy thing. He just poked the hole real quick and inserted the sensors that need to go through the cabin. And I'll show you where they come out. And then you can just stick your hand in there and try to feel. This is much easier done with the 2 people. You can definitely do it with 1 person, but it was easier with 2 people. And you just pass the wires through here. Cables you saw in there, we're gonna go ahead and connect this sensor into there, but these 2 pigtails go inside your ECU module, so you're gonna have to remove some 2 pins.
Oh yeah, this connects to like some ECU module or some type of computer module that reads ethanol. So these are the ethanol wires.
And you remove that from its white tab over there, and then from here he removed the last 2 pins.
Yeah, white and yellow, black and yellow. So
white and yellow and black and yellow.
So they have the same thing, white and yellow, black and yellow. So I'm just gonna slide these bad boys up in there. So you want to face these outwards. Nice.
Electronics for you. We're done. We're done. Everybody, give us a round of applause. Fire. We basically just plugged in everything back in. Making sensors. He connected it back to the ECU. Started up. Okay. So now he's plugging his Ecutech sensor over there, so it lets him read the ECU into his phone. Ain't that some fancy shit right there? We didn't have it good like that in my days.
Hey, I didn't have it good either. I just got lucky this time. You know what? At least he has map switching. My Genesis, I was stuck on a flame map the whole time.
Actually?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, hold on.
See his RPMs?
Let's see if we're able to add gauge.
About to shoot some rollers right now with the boy Genzilla. He's Subzilla. Some rollers over the bridge. This is gonna look sick. I want to see if I can show you guys. If you guys want to see this content, check out my Instagram. Follow. I'm gonna leave it right here. My Instagram, my TikTok. Check it out. This is beautiful. A little clip for you guys though. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see the aperture, but I mean, oh yeah, there you go. The sky. It was beautiful. Look at that. It looks like off a game, my guys.